Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command C: and simply press enter. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space **space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space **space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space C: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C: / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space C: -- boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space C: / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.